Finding the best affiliate offers to promote. Congratulations for hanging with us so far. You are now an Amazon associate with an Amazon affiliate website ready to go. Now the only thing that's left for you is to start promoting products in your niche of choice and start making some sweet money. You'll need to be prepared for this because at this point it is pretty much possible that you still have only a vague idea of what you are going to promote on your Amazon affiliate website. If you were thinking about promoting stuff based on those things that you specifically like in your niche, you will need to change your perspective right now. That is because when you promote things to drive sales through your Amazon affiliate website, you need to promote stuff that is easily profitable. Hence, to make money on your niche website, you'll need to promote stuff that people already like and are already buying by the ton. Yeah, we know that you have your preferences when it comes to certain products and the niche that you chose to promote, but you need to rethink your strategy. Again, if you promote something that is being backed by powerful reviews and a positive, strong reception, you'll make more money. How do you know what affiliate offers are best to promote? Let's take a look. Finding the best sellers. This is perhaps the best way to find affiliate offers to promote on your Amazon affiliate niche website. Once you settle on a niche to promote and base your entire website around, the best strategy is to populate it only with the best of the best in your target market of choice. To find the best sellers for your niche on Amazon.com, go to the homepage and place your pointer over the Departments menu. Select your niche from the Category Display menu and click on the subcategory that best fits the products that you plan to promote on your affiliate website. Now, click on the Best Sellers tab in the top bar menu. Every product category on Amazon has a best sellers list, and we recommend you look at it on a regular basis to see if there is something worth checking out to promote and monetize. As you can see on the right side of the screen, there are other ways to find hot items to promote, including hot new releases, most wished for items, and gift ideas. If you want to see a full list of best sellers in all categories, simply click on the Any Department button on the left. The following page will show you a partial list with a handful of best sellers from each category. In the left-hand menu, you'll see all the marketplace categories, and you can check each one's best sellers by clicking on them. Recommended categories. The following is a list of categories that sell like crazy, maybe because they are everyday things that are consumed on a worldwide scale and seldom need presentation. You can easily review and recommend them through your niche site. Home improvement, appliances, automotive, arts and crafts, electronics, baby care, personal care, fitness and sports, home and kitchen, patio and garden, and pet care. A final recommendation. We recommend you evaluate affiliate rates before deciding to promote a certain product category to see if they fit your affiliate plan. Also, evaluate how profitable it is to promote such categories in the long run, according to your marketing strategies. Simply go to the Amazon Associates Program homepage and click on the Advertising Fees title under the Earn section. There you'll be able to see the fixed standard program fee rates per category and the variable standard program fee rates for other products per number of products purchased in a given calendar month.